Alright guys, we're gonna do a cold start on this 1987 Mack dump truck. So might as well, since we're out here, start her up. I already did a cold start on that S250 Bobcat skid steer. We'll do an interior view today. Usually we do exterior views starting this big old truck. Gotta push that in. That's a stop engine. Make sure she's in neutral. Yeah, it's cold. You can see the frost on the windows. Alright, here we go. Come on. Hard starting truck. Okay. Yeah, she smokes. The hole in the exhaust right there. That's stinky. No doubt a good cold start though. Look at that thing smoke. That's one thing I remember from doing cold starts on this thing last year in the winter. Is does it smoke? Sure as heck does. Woo! Now that is a cold start. Look at that smoke. It's crazy. That's good though too. Let that one warm up, and we got an old case skid steer I gotta do a cold start on. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. Leave a like to promote the video, and stay tuned for more cold starts. Woo! Smoky. Peace.